Hello and welcome. On this channel, we have always discussed shirts. We have talked about the versatility and we have said that they are classic pieces, not negotiable wardrobe staples. And in today's video, I want to give us 4 more reasons why you should get your hand on a good pair of shirts. Now, these are outfits that I wore to church in a span of 2 months. I say 2 months because my job is such that it affords me time to go to church only twice in a month. But I wore all of them back to back for 2 months, right? So I thought to bring them to us and give us more reasons why, if you are still sleeping on a shirt, you need to wake up. This is the base of the first outfit. As we can see, it's just simple, clean, maxi pants, my good old fitted shirt, and the fabric material is corduroy, and this one cotton that we know. I am going to add on this, I don't know what to call it. I think it's a half coat or a jacket, one of the, I don't know. But I'm going to add this on top, button it up. And if we leave this outfit like this, I mean, I have not done anything. Nothing is going on here. It's just plain boring. So we are going to move things around. We are going to add other things and we'll see the finished look. The first thing I'm going to do is to add some accessories. I am going to wear these simple pearl earrings, but on this other ear, I am going to add one hoop because I want to do a symmetric pair, right? There are earrings that come like this. One is going up and the other is coming down. I think they are called an asymmetric pair. So then put this on it as well to rhyme with the other ear. I'm going to add, oh no, this should go on here. Tennis bracelet here, my wristwatch, and one more bangle here, and a simple necklace. We can see that it's coming together, right? So let us add more things. Next up, I'm going to wear a beret and a tie. I have 2 options for the ties. I wanted to do this because of the pants, but then I also want to do this because I feel it's unexpected. Let me know which one you would have gone for in the comment section. I don't know. Oh, I could have done the both of them just like this and off we go, you know. You can, I don't know, crisscross. I digress. So let me know the ones that you would prefer in the comment section. But I went with this because it's not expected and it was going to add another color to the look. I don't know, I still do not know how to knot a tie. How do I do that here? Yeah. Let me do that and get back to us. And for the beret, I'm going to do something like this and tilt it to the side. I can't remember the last time I wore a beret. It's been forever. Jesus. Ooh. Okay. So far, this is where we are at, but I feel this is flat. I am not seeing the interest by shape, right? It is coming together. Accessories are in place. Every other thing is looking good, but it's still looking flat. Let me fix that. What I'm going to do is, again with my safety pins, I'm going to pin this layering piece up a little bit to also give the shirt a chance to shine underneath. Yeah, something like this. Okay. When you do that, you would try for them to look equal on both sides. I'm going to put this inside. Let me bring in my handbag and my shoe for the complete look. I'll be doing this red bedazzled one and this my purse that I have a whole video on. A very special purse. So, and this is the complete look. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. In my opinion, this came together very nicely at the end of the day. It is giving casual, laid back because of the cargo pants and also because of the material. Corduroy is not considered official fabric, right? And it's playful because of the earrings. It's playful and it's also church appropriate. This is where we are. Let me know what you think of the look in the comment section. I think it was a hit because I got so many compliments. And another thing I think that stood out would be the tie. It is kind of doing its own thing, but it is also tying the whole outfit together at the same time. So yeah, this is the base of the second outfit. This is the most casual of all the looks. And as you can see, maxi cotton shirt, distressed denim pants. That's all we have for the base. Now I am going to add this waistcoat that we know it has hints of green to match with my pants. I'm going to cuff the sleeves like this. It is still simple. I'm going to add on accessories and we'll see. For my earrings, I'm still going to do these hoops. Oh my god. What is this? I'm going to do hoops, but I'm still going to add on these simple pearl earrings on it to give like two-in-one action. I don't know, I like layering when I have hoops on because I feel just the hoop does not do enough for me. So I love to add a simple earring first before I do my hoops. And for my wrist, I will keep it simple, just my wristwatch. Simple pendant. Okay, I'm also going to add on a baseball cap because I don't know if you know, but hoops and baseball caps are best friends. So after accessories, this is what we have. And for footwear, sneakers, comfortable and practical. One more thing I did to this look, although at this point it is very okay to be worn out, I didn't want to leave it as is. It is good, but I think it has potential to be better. What I did was to add on this, my recently thrifted statement belt. I tucked in just the front, then I added my belt. Another way you can deal with this is to flip it inside and bring it out from underneath. It gives it a clean finish. This is what we have. This is the back. This is the front. I didn't want to tuck everything inside because it's a very big shirt and putting all of that inside there is not just going to make sense to me. Unless it's like a flared skirt or tennis skirt, that would work. And for the most unexpected of all, the handbag. Yeah, on that Sunday, all I had in this bag was my Bible and my phone, but it just made a lot of sense with the outfits that I could not have carried it. So this is what we did. How do we like it? Because I love. Do you like the color combination? Is there anything you would do differently in this outfit? Please let me know in the comment section, and also let me know your favorite piece. In my opinion, is the handbag. I think it is out of place but in place at the same time. It is rhyming with the belt. Every other color combination is doing something on their own. This one stands out, and I think it also make sense with the outfit. Just let me know what you think in the comment section. One of the major reasons why I decided to bring all of these looks to us is because, in my opinion, they are different renditions of the same concept. Don't worry, you will see that as we go along. And that also goes on to buttress my point in my copycat video, where I said that if you want to copy an outfit, if you want to recreate an outfit, you don't necessarily have to own what the person owns. You can play around with what you already have and you will arrive at the same thing. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Eva, and on this channel we discuss fashion, styling and restyling your pieces. If you're interested to see all of that and more, subscribe and stay tuned. This is the base for the third look, and I'm sure by now you're getting the concept already. And that is just very simple. You get a base, you layer on it, and then you accessorize. And for this third look, this is what I'm going to be layering on this look. Of course, black, white, red, classic every time. So I'm going to keep this look simple and clean. Let me put this on. It may take a while because it has lacing details at the back. The fabric is very fun. It gives the silk shimmery of the black. So for accessories, I am going to put on this set. It has a necklace, a bracelet, earrings, and I'm going to put on my wristwatch. Very simple and sweet. For footwear and handbag, I will be doing my sling bags and my simple purse. I always like wearing my sling bags when I want my pants touching the floor, because if I were to go for heels with this look and this pant, it will give me a lift and my shoes will be visible, and I didn't want that cut there. So sometimes when I want my pants touching the floor, I just do very flat footwear so I can achieve that. And this is what we have. However, that is not the end of the look. I added a very simple, very neat scarf, but so far this is where we are at, and it's very simple, very clean look. You know, I think the center of the focus for this outfit would be this layering piece that is shimmery and in a very bright color and in everybody's face. So let me do the head wrap and show us the full look. I have a video on how to do simple head wraps like this. I am going to leave a link in the description box so you can check it out. And on that note, that's all we have for this look. This was clean, simple. There was no drama or anything. Or was there? I don't know. But this is all I did for the third Sunday, and I really liked it. Now I got back home that Sunday and I said to myself I was going to recreate this look for the next Sunday. I was going to copy this look and do it again for the next Sunday. So this look and the next look is basically the same thing but with different pieces. So first of all, that's all we have for this look. Now let me show you the final look. This is the base for the final look. As you can see, I have on the same shirt, and I'm going to be leaving the head wrap on because I still rocked the same head wrap, the same style of head wrap for this look. And I am going to be layering with this gray shimmery piece. Since I got this, I have not really worn it out because it is harsh on the skin. So I figured it is best for layering on other things so it doesn't have direct contact with your skin. I'm going to be tucking in as opposed to the last look where I was not tucked in. So let me do that and let's see. This is what it looks like. Tucking in is one thing I love doing because, I mean, very clean, very neat finish compared to how it was looking before. Anywho, that aside, for accessories, I'm going to be doing wristwatch, 2 bangles on my right, silver and gold. These days, I do not hold back when I am mixing and matching silver and gold pieces. Since it became a thing, it became my thing. Earrings, I'll be wearing these statement silver ones as well. For footwear, I'm going to be doing these platform comma heels. I have a video on heels in my channel on how to name your heels, how to name the features. So I'm also going to leave that linked. And for handbag, I am going to do the simple one just so that it can match my head wrap. Let me put that on and show us the final look. Ooh. Love. Now let me know your favorite look in the comment section. I don't know, I can't decide. I think they were all nice, and also I'm going to find more amazing ways to style and restyle every piece that you have seen here, because that is it basically. At the end of the day, that is why we are here. So thank you all so much for watching up until this point. If you got outfit inspiration, kindly let me know in the comment section. And also, if this is your style or if you liked any of the looks, let me know your favorite in the comment section as well. I'm sure you were able to see the concept. It's very simple for this particular style of look. You just pick a base, then you layer on it, and then you accessorize. Easy peasy. Thanks again for watching and have a good day now. Bye.